Elevate your bathroom with Kingston's refined toilet tank levers. Let's install the front-mounted lever model, KTAL1. Start by removing toilet tank cover. Next, inserting the rubber washer into the tank lever hub. Slide the tank lever shank into the hub. Then guide the entire assembly through the square opening at the front of the tank. Secure the assembly by threading the fastening nut onto the shank from outside the tank. Turn the nut counterclockwise to tighten. Attach the handle to the outside end of the shank. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the set screw and lock the handle in place. Connect the flapper chain to the flush lever arm, ensuring it has slight tension but is not too tight. Test the lever by pressing it down. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure smooth operation. Finally, carefully set the toilet tank cover back in place.